Beneficiary of the Accelerator Bangalore initiative, which was launched recently. Women honored micro business. As per the recent amendment in the telecom license norm, which is the designed author of upgradation of network, national cyber security coordination. As per the recent amendment, APIDA, APIDA, APIDA was established under which Union Ministry of Commercial and Industry, the Agriculture of Processed Food and Product Export Development Authority. Girmantha beach, which was seen in the news recently, which state Odisha. As per the recent study, the warming of the ocean is proved to be have affected the metabolism of the species shark. Where is the Indian Institute of Sugarcane Research located in Lucknow? Which country has developed the world's most powerful supercomputer Fuku? Japan. Which organization is to be commissioned? India is the largest floating solar plant at the Telangana NTPC. Wherein Edward Buffett is the CEO of the companies Berkshire Hathaway, who has been re-elected as president of International Olympic Committee. Thomas Beach. Which country has launched Asterix, a military exercise in space? France. The Russian dam and Chilimal Dam was constructed in which of the Indian state? Uttar Pradesh. Parliament has recently passed a bill to regularize unauthorized collusion in which state? Delhi. Bharat e-market is the e-commercial portal to launch by which body? CAT. What is the name of the portal to be launched by the Union Commercial and Industrial Ministry to facilitate domestic investor? Mahamadou Issoufou, who recently won the Africa Top Prize for Leadership, was the president of which country? Niger. Which body has submitted its recommendation to Government of India for privatization of 12 public sector undertaking? Niti Aayog. What is the 2001 FO32 seen in news recently? Asteroid. What is the 2001 FO32 has been seen recently? Asteroid. Who became the first Indian women cricketer to score 1000 runs across all formats? Mithali Raj. Which country has recently approved 14th 5-year plan? It is a 14. China. Which project has recommended to test project to procedure the hydrogen from the coal? Kwaski Heavy Industrial. Which country is the chair of BARC to 2021? India. Which state government has signed a MOU with IBM for improving the education standard among the girls? And Uttarakhand. Which union ministry is set up to unveil the draft e-commercial policy? Ministry of Commercial and Industry. Bangalore, India is a recently air conditioned railway terminal is to be set up come up with the city Bangalore. Carbon border agreement, which was the making news recently, has been approved proposed by which global organization? European Union. Gaushalya Shankar, who has recently awarded the International Women Courage by USC Console, belong to which state? Tamil Nadu. Which state after Haryana has recently announced 75% reservation in private sector job for locals? Jharkhand. Which bank has been recently moved out of the promote corrective action for framework? IDBI Bank. An advisory committee has been set up to study which Indian river for the next 2 years, chaired by the cultural minister Saraswati. Which institution announced a rule that sought to treat bank additional Tier 1 bond for of saving 100-year maturity SBI. What is the first women cricketer to complete 7,000 ODI run with Raj? Indian foreign exchange reserve surpassed that of the which country to become the whole top fourth? Russia. Which country has become India's first biggest oil supplier? USA. In which state is the Statute Hills Reserve, Reserve Forest located? Gujarat. The Bhavani Devi is associated with which sport? Fencing. In which state the Chenab Bridge of the Indian construct? Jammu and Kashmir. What is the AEG-12, which is the news recently? Moscow protein. The Mines and Minerals Amendment Bill 2021 seek for empowerment central government to issue directed by DFMF. What is a DMF? District Mineral Foundation. MPLADS fund has been suspended till year due to the COVID-19 pandemic 2020-22. What is the initial paid up capital of the Development Financial Institute to set up the university? 20 crore. A cabinet approved a MOU signed between India and which country has cooperation to sport and youth affairs? Maldives. As per the recent survey conducted by IQAir, which city was ranked the world most populated capital of the world third consecutive year? New Delhi. Which ministry have moved to National Capital Amendment Bill 2021 to Lok Sabha? Ministry of Home Affairs. Which constitution body has interpreted the issue related to death of Great Indian Bustard in a collision with power line? Supreme Court of India. The National Green Tribunal has set up 12-member committee on prevention of uniscientific mining in which of the state? Meghalaya. As per the SIPRI, what is the percentage India aims import decline between 30%? Who has been assumed charge as the Director General of the International Solar Alliance? Dr. Ajay Mathur. What is the upper limit of the permit absorption special category of women as per the medical termination of pregnancy bill 24 week? Who has been appointed as the Director General of the National Security Guard? M.A. Ganapathy. Which constitution released the World Energy Transition Outlook Report? IRENA. Which institute published the State of the World Indigenous Peoples Report? United Nations. Where is the headquarters of the Coalition of the Disaster Relief Infrastructure located? New Delhi. Indian Informatic Technology Major has collaborated with their counterpart of the country to develop 5G and 6G technology. Finland. What is the name of the book released by the Chief Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat at the clue? Battle Ready for 20th Century. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Stop TV Partnership Board? Dr. Harshvardhan. Who has been the head of the Expert Advisory Committee set up the Startup India Seed Fund Scheme? H.K. Mittal. Which country has been rolled out to larger denomination bank note due to the hyperinflation? Venezuela. Which country's parliament had voted in the favor of amending the country's constitution to include climate and biodiversity protection? Finance. John Mungifly has recently passed away. Was the president of which country? Tanzania.